The 2026 Volvo Truck continues the brand's long-standing reputation for innovation, safety, and efficiency in the heavy-duty commercial vehicle segment. Known globally for its reliability and engineering excellence, Volvo Trucks has designed the 2026 lineup to meet the increasing demands of modern transportation, balancing performance, comfort, and environmental responsibility. This model represents a significant leap forward, integrating advanced technology and improved aerodynamics to enhance fuel economy and reduce emissions, while still providing the power and durability that long-haul operations require. Visually, the 2026 Volvo Truck exhibits a refined and aerodynamic design that not only enhances its presence on the road but also contributes to improved efficiency. The front fascia features a modernized grille with active airflow management, LED matrix headlights for superior visibility, and streamlined side mirrors designed to minimize drag. Volvo's engineers have paid meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that every curve and angle of the cab contributes to optimal airflow and reduced fuel consumption. The result is a truck that looks both futuristic and purposeful, embodying Volvo's Scandinavian design philosophy of functionality combined with understated elegance. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo Truck offers a range of powertrain options tailored to different regional markets and operational needs. The latest D13TC turbo compound diesel engine delivers exceptional torque and improved thermal efficiency, enabling higher payload capacities with lower fuel use. Volvo's engineers have also advanced their hybrid and fully electric variants, particularly for regional and urban logistics, providing clean alternatives to traditional diesel trucks. These electrified versions benefit from enhanced battery capacity, faster charging capabilities, and regenerative braking systems, ensuring both power and practicality. Volvo's commitment to sustainability is evident, as the brand moves steadily toward achieving net zero emissions across its product lineup. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Volvo Truck offers one of the most comfortable and driver-friendly environments in the industry. The interior is designed around the operator, with ergonomically placed controls, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an advanced infotainment system that integrates navigation, telematics, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The driving position has been optimized for long-distance comfort, while premium materials and noise insulation enhance the overall driving experience. For long-haul drivers, the sleeper cab configuration provides a spacious resting area equipped with storage, climate control, and improved lighting. Volvo's focus on driver well-being is evident throughout, making long journeys less tiring and more productive. Safety remains a defining characteristic of every Volvo vehicle, and the 2026 truck is no exception. It comes equipped with the latest generation of Volvo's Active Safety Suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, collision warning with emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Advanced driver assistance systems not only protect the operator but also contribute to safer roads for everyone. Overall, the 2026 Volvo Truck stands as a symbol of progress in the heavy-duty transport industry, combining cutting-edge technology, environmental consciousness, and unmatched comfort. It embodies Volvo's core values of safety, quality, and sustainability while meeting the practical demands of modern logistics and long-haul transportation.